Hupi Ngarisha Na Optiven. Leafy Suburb welcomes you with open arms. Karibu Success Gardens by Optiven, located right on Tarmac along Gatanga Road off Blue Post. Success Gardens is all set to have an amazing value additions that will include solar street lights, internal access roads, security, lots of green spaces, and piped water. The project has ready title deeds. An eighth of an acre is going for 2.695 million Kenyan shillings cash, with flexible installment options of up to 12 months available. Deposit 995,000 Kenya shillings and get a free washing machine for your home. Ngarisha Na Optiven. Call us today on 0723 400 500.
Inspiring possibilities with Optiven.